Welcome to V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of V.I Tech Academy YouTube channel. This is your host Ratul. And guys, as you know that for the past 2-3 videos, we are discussing about an incredible NVDA add-on, which is NVDA Global Plugin Extension. And I have made few videos and most of you have supported and want to know more about the add-on. So today we are going to reveal another feature of this add-on which is very useful. Guys, sometimes we require to use stopwatch. Let's suppose you want to finish any writing or any task within 30 minutes, within 45 minutes, or you are doing some session and you want your computer to notify after 45 minutes or after whatever 1 hour, 2 hours. So generally what you can do, it is not a stopwatch, but you need to use a timer. So for timer, I have already made another video. There is a special add-on called NVDA clock stopwatch timer or something similar. If you just visit our JAWS and NVDA playlist, you can find that video. But guys, NVDA Global Extension add-on has the same feature which you can definitely use. Okay, which you can definitely use to do that. And today we are going to discuss about that feature, which is very useful. Okay, and at the end of the video, I will tell you from where you can download this add-on and how you can set up this add-on. So without further delay, let's start. So I have already downloaded and installed this add-on. Now I am just going to set this. So first of all, I need to use the command key followed by the access key. Access key means followed by the shortcut, which is set by default. Okay, if I want to change the shortcut key, I can easily do that by using NVDA input gesture. Those who don't know about NVDA input gesture, they can watch our previous video on NVDA input gesture, which I have created, and you can find the same video on JAWS and NVDA playlist. So guys, what I should do, I just press okay. Before doing this, let me tell you the name of the feature. They says it's minute timer, okay, or minute limiter or something similar. Okay, so let's see what it says. I'm just using command key followed by the shortcut. Okay, so command, then shortcut, and then it says
NVDA Global Commands Extension. Launch of the minute timer dialog. Enter the minute timer duration in minutes. Edit
Okay.
Alt plus D selected 1.
okay, so it says that minute timer. Okay, if you can see my screen, it says the minute timer. This is the dialog box, it's opened. Okay, and by default it's like there is a typo here. You need to enter the minute. So last time I have tested with 1 minute and it works.
1.
So now
blank 1.
this first edit box is for minute. So let me type the minute. Let's say I'm typing 3 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes.
3 blank.
Remember, here it is only supported integer numbers. Integer means the standard numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. No points, no decimal numbers supported. Okay, that's why it's called minute timer. Okay, next I'm pressing tab.
Enter the announce to be spoken at the end of duration. Edit Alt plus A selected time up.
So it is saying that what it should announce when the time will over, when these 3 minutes will finished, what it will announce. So let's suppose
Blank.
here I
Select.
am just uploading.
Bengal, English, United States.
Okay, let's say
You,
time up. Time up. Please subscribe the channel.
Please subscribe. EAT space 2 this channel.
Okay.
Time up. Please subscribe to this channel.
Okay. So yeah. So next is I'm pressing tab.
Delay to be alerted before ending in minutes. Combo
Delay
box 0
to be
collapse.
alerted in minute. So I have given 3 minutes. For example, if you give 10 minutes, 15 minutes.
Delay to be alerted before ending in minute.
Delay to be alerted before ending. This is the option where you can set, for example, you set the minute, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So you want, okay, before ending, it should alert like 3 minutes, 5 minutes. So from this combo box, you can choose. I am not choosing anything. Okay, I don't want any alert before the ending.
Rings options button alt plus
Okay,
O.
rings options. So okay, first let
To
me
enter
change
the
it to
announce
2
to be
minutes.
spoken at the
Okay.
end. Enter 3 blank 3
Because 3
2.
is very
blank. Enter delay to be alerted. Rings options button alt
rings
plus O.
options. So just I'm pressing enter.
Ring options dialog. Number of rings. Combo box 2 collapsed alt.
Number of rings. How many rings you want? Okay, I'm just doing
3.
3.
Delay between rings in milliseconds.
Delay between rings
Combo box 1500 collapsed.
in milliseconds. 1000 milliseconds equals to 1 second. So delay between rings, you understand that how much delay it will have between 2 rings. Okay, I'm pressing tab.
OK button.
Then click on OK button.
NVDA.
And again press tab.
OK button.
And now press enter on OK button.
The minute timer started for 2 minutes.
So minute timer started for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, it will automatically announce. In the meantime, if you are interested to learn web development without coding, join our WordPress for Beginners course, which is going to start soon. Visit our website from the About page and register today. And if you want to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, that course will also start soon. So don't forget to register yourself any one of the course. Now if I open the same dialog, then what it says? Now you want to check the remaining period, how many times, how much is remaining. So use the same key command plus the shortcut key.
NVDA global commands extension. Current minute timer dialog. Remaining duration. Edit 1 minute 5.
See, 1 minute 5, which means 1 minute 5 seconds.
1 minute 0.
See, 1 minute 0, it's automatically changing and it's saying you.
55 seconds.
And here you will get
Stop button.
Stop
alt plus
button.
S. Close button.
Close
alt.
button.
Remaining to 50 seconds.
So just listen, 50 seconds,
45 seconds.
45 seconds. By the way guys, those who are really interested,
40 seconds.
those who are really interested to learn web development using WordPress, join
35
fast
seconds.
because we're going to start our next batch very soon
30
in February
seconds.
itself. February 2025.
25 seconds.
Okay, only 25 seconds left.
20 seconds. 15 seconds.
Okay, only 15 seconds left.
10 seconds. 5 seconds. End of minute timer dialog. Time up. Please subscribe to this channel. OK button.
So it says, see,
End of minute timer dialog. Time up. Please subscribe to this channel. Main
Okay.
instruction icon graphic.
time up,
Please
please subscribe to this
OK
channel.
button.
And OK button is there. Now I'm just pressing enter on it.
Desktop list.
And please really subscribe to this channel if you want more tutorials like this. And if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like button and share this video with your friends. If you are interested to connect with us, you should join our WhatsApp and Telegram channel. The links are given in the video description below. Now there are 2 important things. Number 1, where you can download this add-on. You can download this add-on from the link given in the video description below, as well as on our official Telegram channel. We have pinned it, as well as you can download the same from the NVDA's add-on store also. I'll provide the link in the video description below. You will not get this on the NVIDIA add-on store, which is like NVIDIA menu, then add-ons like this. Okay. And second question is how to set up. We have already made a video about this global extension, so watch that part 1 video so you will get an idea. And the third one, which key I use to activate this dialog. First of all is command key and followed by F12. So I hope I answered all of your questions. Stay tuned, because see you soon in the next tutorial. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.